Hi, I'm Jim Sheets from Smooth-On. Today I will be explaining how I created custom concrete tile molds. The process began with a bed of hard clay where I sculpted the pattern I had envisioned. I then poured what's called a waste mold out of MoldStar 30. A waste mold is an intermediary step done before final production molds are made. It is usually only used for one casting. In this case, I cast a single concrete tile so I could acid etch it, perfecting the texture I was after for the final pieces. I also squared up the tile so it was dimensionally correct. Once perfected, I could use this concrete tile for my production molds. For these molds, I use FORMLASTIC 60, a urethane rubber with very low shrinkage. And now stay tuned for the rest of the process.